How to replace the radio in a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. So we got the new radio here from Stinger. We took the negative cable off. What's next?
Start peeling away the dash.
So we got this bottom plate off. There's a screw there, which is 9/32. There's another one there. Now we're gonna try to take this plastic piece off. We got the radio out. 4 connectors back there. Things with a check mark we need.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And then it goes like...
We just took this frame piece out. They're just 2 side clips. It's just like a flat head.
We got these machine screws, these guys.
Yeah, yeah.
His splendor covered the heavens, and the earth was full of his
I guess we can like, yeah.
presence was like the light. Rays flashed from his hand, and there he veiled his power.
Give this a good plug in. I'm betting this one's GPS. Like this one has much more shielding on it.
We just had to take off some plastic housing around this connection to the GPS, the blue one. Alright, so we plugged in the USB-C to the back. What do we got here?
So it's some sort of radio interface module. So we're gonna plug this in, see if it works.
Set this little dial to 7. We need like a little flathead just to turn that little dial to 7. Alright, so we're plugged in both sides. So now we're gonna plug in the battery and turn the key to the on position.
Aha! Hey! What's another good one? Oh yeah, good old Eric Clapton. Yeah, let's call Summer. What the heck?
Yeah.
Hello, Summer. We're calling you from Lena's new stereo.
Hey.
How does it sound?
Oh, that's good.
Thanks for picking up.
Yeah.
No problem.
You can do maps?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So we got our cable C to C. Okay.
Yeah. This is a MagSafe mount. We're gonna test it on this phone. Yep.
Look at that.
Charging. That's connected like to the radio. Now all we gotta do is just put everything back together.
Yeah. Stuff this back here now. Get it.
This, I think, is the last piece. Everything's in and everything's working properly. Like and subscribe.